That's a onigiri mold.
Because you always use one-time plastic. this way you can take plastic.
Ah, okay.
Oji-cha. They're Snickers.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's it.
A slight change of plans. Basically, I wanted to go to an area that's like the old Tokyo where you can still see some traditional stuff. But as you can see, it's kind of raining. So yeah, as far as that's concerned, I'm actually going to, or actually am in Akihabara right now, which is like the, like the anime / Otaku center of Tokyo. And yeah, the reason why I came here is just because they have stores that you can go inside. So if the rain gets really bad, yeah, you can go inside. So you don't have to basically walk around outside. And yeah, it's unfortunate, but I think this is still a very cool area that we're gonna explore together for the next few hours. So yeah, if you like anime, enjoy the next few hours of exploring this area. So what you can see behind me is my first stop. It's a store called Akihabara Radio Kaikan, and it's probably my favorite store in here because it's very close to the station, like it's 5 minutes away from the station, and B is it's like spread across 8 floors or 10 floors even, and they have different stuff on every floor. Basically, the first like few floors are more geared towards like general anime like hobbies. So you have figures, you have anime CDs and stuff like that. But then as you go up and up, it goes more into like special niches like dolls and stuff like that. But for the first 4 floors, there's really a great stuff and also some used stuff. So if you want to buy used figures, hopefully clean figures, but like clean anime figures or stuff, you can get them at a really good discount. So yeah, that was first stop, and the rain picked up now. So I'm going to continue to the kind of like the main part of Akihabara, which is like the main strip. It's basically split into 2 parts. One is the area around the station, and then where I'm walking right now is kind of the main strip. So yeah, see you there. So the next place that you can see behind me, this really big, juicy black tower. It's called Mandrake, and I think it's one of the institutions here in Akihabara. It's kind of at the end of the, I'm not sure, but it's the shopping area. So it's not on the main strip, but it has, I think, 7 floors or something, and it has like games, it has toys, it has manga, and it also has like a whole section dedicated to just like porn books and stuff. So it's a really interesting experience if you want to stand like 1 meter next to somebody who's browsing like a porn book. So the next stop is what you can see behind me. It's called Super Potato, and it's probably my favorite store in Akihabara because it's like a retro game store, and it's set across 3 floors. So you have basically on the first 2 floors you have games, like everything from, I think downstairs is like Sega and stuff like that, and upstairs you will have like Nintendo, Sony, and like the more common brands. And then on the 5th floor you actually have like an old school type arcade, so it has all of these kind of retro games, and it also has like a snack shop that sells all kinds of like kind of old school Japanese like candies and stuff for, I guess, very little money. Like you can buy a snack for 30 yen, 40 yen, which is like 40 cents, which is really great. So yeah, that's a really cool store. It's basically on the main strip. It's a bit hidden, but I'm gonna show you where the entrance is, and yeah, it's very easily accessible. Definitely worth checking out if you're looking for some kind of retro games. It's a bit pricey from what I've seen. Like there was a GameCube there, the sets, they cost like 5,000 yen. Like a Game Boy Color was like almost 10,000 yen, almost $100, which is kind of insane, but it's good quality, so I guess maybe that's why it's so expensive. But yeah, that was a cool stop. Rain is letting off a bit, which is nice. So yeah, I guess continue the tour. You can see behind me is the last spot that I wanted to go to, which is, I think it's called 3331 Chiyoda Arts, and it's basically like a 10-minute walk away from Akihabara. It used to be like I think a junior high school, and then they remodeled the whole building. It still kind of looks like a junior high school. You got the typical like rooftop and everything, and then they remodeled it to become basically a kind of an art gallery center and also like a creative space. So they have events going on, but they also have on 2 floors or 3 floors they have art galleries. So if you are into art, and it's free, so if you are into free art, at least to view, I'd recommend coming here because it's kind of cool. They had, for example, they had this kind of AR/VR exhibition where they had like a video/AR/VR combo art exhibition, which was cool. And yeah, I will definitely recommend it. So yeah, that concludes our Akihabara / here trip. I hope you liked it. I hope you could take away some tips for places to go to in Akihabara. And yeah, right now on my way back home, I'm gonna throw in one more kind of cool spot to visit, which is probably my favorite spot to do night street photography in Tokyo. It's on the way home anyways, and I thought, well, it's still have some time. It's only like 4 or 5 p.m. So I thought I might as well go there once it gets a bit darker and shoot some interesting street photography / video. So I thought I'd show you the place. Yeah, it's basically 30 minutes away by train from here on the Yamanote Loop, so easy to find in Shinjuku. It's called Piss Alley, or it's also called Piss Alley, and it's because people used to piss there a lot, and they still do, I guess. But yeah, basically it's like this long winding alley that has like small izakayas and like small pubs kind of on the side. And yeah, it's a kind of a cool place to go for like a snack. Like it is a bit expensive. I'll probably do a separate video on that place, but it's a great place to do some street night photography. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'll see you tomorrow with no plan yet. See you tomorrow.